Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday, December the 5th, and I'm off today. Well, I'm not really off today. I had to go in this morning and do a makeup for one of my clients. It was her birthday today, so Lala, if you're watching this, happy birthday, baby. But anyways, now that I'm off for the rest of the day, I am about to run a couple errands. I think I'm about to run to Five Below and get me some workout equipment because I don't know about y'all, but Thanksgiving just passed and your girl ate entirely way too much. So I'm trying to, lose some weight, get cute, get fit for the holidays, or maybe let's say after the holidays, because Christmas is coming up in about 2 weeks. So I know I'm going to eat for Christmas. And your girl is a Capricorn. My birthday is December the 31st. So you got that right. I am a New Year's Eve baby. So I want to lose maybe about 10 pounds between here and my birthday because I'm trying to look, super cute in my birthday dress, birthday fit. I don't even have any plans, but y'all, I'm rambling once again. Anyways, we're about to head to Five Below and we're about to get some workout equipment because just come along for the ride. Head with me to Five Below to get workout equipment so I can shed this holiday weight. They had a ton of workout stuff. They had resistant bands, medicine balls, dumbbell weights, resistant tubes, yoga mats. They even had a universal armband to put your phone in while you are working out. They had these really cool workout dice. They also had booty bands, more resistant bands. They even had this resistant rower. I definitely had to get that. They also had these cool glass water bottles. I checked out and headed home. This is all the stuff that I ended up buying. I created a workout area in my dining room with the viral Walmart mirrors. I hide all my workout gear in these bins. They're able to conceal everything, and I do mean everything. I keep my workout mats stored underneath that stand. That way the house doesn't look so messy. When it's time to work out, it's so easy to pull out. Before working out, I like to do a little bit of stretching. Y'all, I don't know what I be doing. This is the medicine ball that I got. It is 8 pounds. These are the kettlebells that I got. They are 10 pounds each. This is the resistant rower. I don't know, y'all. I also bought an Atwell. Not sure if I'm using this right either, but boy, that thing be having my stomach hurting. If I were you, I would head to Five Below and get me some workout equipment too. See y'all.